In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on iPhone XS Max battery percentage. So if you have an iPhone XS Max and then you want to display your battery percentage on the battery just like this, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if I don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. When you turn on iPhone XS Max battery percentage, you'll be able to check how fast your iPhone XS Max battery drains and see whether you need to recharge or connect your iPhone to the charger again. So all you just need to do to turn on or enable battery percentage on iPhone XS Max is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on battery. Then here you should see battery percentage enabled in my own case. So if yours is disabled, go ahead and turn on battery percentage. Once that is turned on, this is going to show the battery percentage in the battery just like this. You see that? Then you can click on battery health and charging to see your iPhone XS Max battery health. You can see I have the maximum of 78%. So when my iPhone is charged to 100%, it's just 78% of the battery capacity. So that's how you can easily turn on or show iPhone XS Max battery percentage and how to check your iPhone XS Max battery health. So if you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.